harvest 2014, and it's almost done. I've got one strip of wheat left to spring wheat left to cut. Winter wheat's done, peas are done, and we've got a couple wagons left. We're on this little field. Today is the 2nd of September, day after Labor Day. Dylan went back to the university yesterday, and Logan and Rhonda went back to school, and it's just Dean and I finishing up harvest. So I'm going to keep up the tradition at the end of harvest to throw my hat into the combine. So it's a little tougher now than it used to be because of the safety switch that's on the seat. I can't get up or else the header will stop working. So I'll fire the combine back up, turn the camera around so it's looking the other direction, and away we go. Alright, here I am cutting my last strip of crop for 2014. Listen to Van Hagar, or Van Halen, with Sammy Hagar as the lead singer. What Dreams Are Made Of, a favorite song of our families, because dreams are what you make it. So this harvest hasn't quite been a dream. It's been kind of challenging. 11 days of rain delay this year. Crops weren't doing that good due to no rain this summer and hot weather coming at the wrong time, but it'll all be good, and hopefully we'll get the fall work done and a new crop put in for 2015, and hopefully next year will be a lot better. But as you can see, I'm heading to my final destination. The truck over there got the neighbor, his rig out in the field, just BSing a little bit. But I'm coming up to the end here, so I'm getting ready to take my hat off and open the door. So the door's getting opened right now. Again, like I said, it's a little more challenging. Here's the hat. There it goes. Gets in the wheat. We'll see if we can, well, I'll have to go outside and put it on top of the wheat. Alright, so I had to go out of the cab and put my hat on the wheat because it didn't quite get there. You can see it right there. So we'll get it going right into the combine. So the hat just went through the machine. Here's the last little bit. Harvest 2014 is done. So I will turn the combine around and see what kind of damage we did to the hat. Sometimes they come out with not too much damage. Sometimes they come out just ripped up. We'll see. So heading out right now, shutting the combine down, swinging the door open and heading on down the ladder. If this is making you seasick, well, sorry about it. So here's the hat this year. Oh, it did a good, oh, there's a piece of the bill. There's a piece of the bill right there. The majority of the hat. There's a piece right here. Oh, that must be the bill, or what's left of it. Yep, I can see the bill right there. Another piece of plastic. Part of the headband right here. But yeah, it did a good number on the hat this year. I can't even really put it on my head. Huh. So there's what's left of the hat. And there's Dean laughing about it because that's one of the better ones we've seen in the wild.
That's a good one.
That's one of the better ones we've seen in quite a while. But the logo pretty much stayed intact.
It did, though.
So I'm wearing my hat now because it's all I got. I didn't bring an extra one because that's bad luck. It's a little windy out. My hat don't want to see to stay on my head. But the combine's done. Crops, we just got to get them down the hill to the elevator and then clean everything out and start fall work. So right now, I got to get the logo to where we can see it. Maybe I'll tuck it in between my glasses here. There we go. There we are. Much better. So there's the logo right there. Here's what's left of my hat. Happy Harvest 2014, and I hope everyone gets their crops into the bin this year, and it was a decent year.